Welcome to this complete Interlaken, Switzerland guide. Nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz and watched over by the towering trio of Eiger, Mönch and Jungfrau, Interlaken is a traveler's paradise. This enchanting town is not just a pretty face, it's an adrenaline-fueled adventure hub, a gateway to mountainous majesty and a cultural treasure trove. A place where age is but a number and every day is a new journey. Now let's plunge into the 13 must-do activities in Interlaken. First up, soar high with paragliding over Interlaken. Imagine the rush of the wind, the world shrinking beneath you as you set off from a mountaintop, sailing over pristine lakes and verdant valleys. It's a dance with the clouds, a thrilling game of chase with the birds. The panoramic views of Interlaken's breathtaking landscapes are nothing short of a visual feast that leaves you yearning for more. It's more than just paragliding. It's a ticket to a bird's-eye view of paradise. An exhilarating experience that sets the tone for the rest of your adventure. Next, embark on a boat tour on the serene Lake Thun. Drifting along the calm waters, you'll find yourself surrounded by a picturesque panorama that is nothing short of breathtaking. The majesty of the Swiss Alps cradles the lake, creating a tranquil tableau of nature's finest work. Listen closely and you'll hear the soft lapping of waves against the boat, a soothing soundtrack to your journey. The boat tour offers a unique perspective, a chance to see Interlaken from a different angle. A peaceful excursion that gives you a chance to marvel at the stunning landscape. Third, take a trip to Kulm. Rising over 1,300 meters above sea level, Kulm provides an ethereal, panoramic view of Interlaken. Picture the crowning glory of Swiss Alps encircling a picturesque cityscape. As if this isn't enough, the ascent itself is an adventure. A funicular ride, scaling the mountain in a cozy little carriage, is the cherry on top of this Swiss delight. So when in Interlaken, don't miss out on Kulm, a breathtaking vantage point that offers a bird's-eye view of Interlaken. Fourth on the list, explore the mysterious St. Beatus Caves. These ancient caverns whisper tales of a hermit monk named Beatus who supposedly defeated a dragon here. As you delve into the heart of the mountain, you'll encounter a labyrinth of chambers adorned with stalactites and stalagmites sculpted over millions of years. The interplay of light and shadow lends an ethereal allure to these underground wonders, a thrilling exploration that takes you into the heart of Switzerland's age-old legends. Next, lose yourself in the beauty of the Jungfrau region. This is a place where Mother Nature has been generous, bestowing upon it an abundance of natural beauty. Picture yourself surrounded by towering alpine peaks, blanketed in the purest white snow and valleys carpeted in lush, emerald green foliage. The Jungfrau region is not just a feast for the eyes, it's also a playground for the adventurous. Here you can engage in a myriad of activities, from hiking up the enchanting Eiger trail to skiing down the pristine slopes of the Grindelwald. And let's not forget about the charming mountain villages, where you can enjoy a warm cup of Swiss hot chocolate in a cozy cafe, or indulge in some delightful Swiss cheese fondue in a rustic mountain hut. The Jungfrau region is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a feeling, a way of life. It is a picturesque paradise that truly captures the essence of Switzerland. Seventh, experience the thrill of canyoning in the surrounding canyons. Imagine yourself navigating through rugged landscapes, rappelling down cascading waterfalls, and plunging into crystal-clear pools. This is canyoning, a heart-pounding combination of hiking, climbing, swimming, and cliff jumping. The scenery is as exhilarating as the adventure itself, with jaw-dropping views of the Swiss Alps. You'll feel every pulse of adrenaline, every moment of awe right in your core. An adrenaline-packed adventure that promises an unforgettable experience. Eighth, take a scenic train ride to Jungfrau. Imagine yourself ensconced in a cozy train cabin, winding through alpine meadows, past glimmering lakes and beneath towering peaks. The anticipation builds as you ascend ever higher, your destination, Jungfrau, the pinnacle of Europe. As the train gently rolls along, the landscape transforms, the greenery giving way to a world of ice and snow. It's a journey that's as much about the ride as it is the destination, a mesmerizing journey that leads to the top of Europe. Next, visit the Scenic Platte. Nestled high in the Swiss Alps, this mountain ridge offers breathtaking views of the Bernese Oberland and Jungfrau region. It's not just a place to soak in the vistas, though. You can also hop aboard the charming cogwheel train, explore the botanical gardens, or even take a leisurely hike along well-marked trails. And hey, don't forget to grab a Swiss hot chocolate at the mountaintop restaurant. A perfect spot to connect with nature and enjoy panoramic views. 10th, explore the beautiful Lake Brienz. Nestled in the heart of the Swiss Alps, this turquoise gem is a sight to behold. Surrounded by towering peaks and lush forests, it's a haven for nature lovers. Take a leisurely boat ride, paddle in a kayak, or simply stroll along the picturesque shoreline. Nearby, you'll find charming villages, cozy cafes, and hiking trails that offer breathtaking views. Lake Brienz isn't just a lake, it's an experience. A tranquil retreat that offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle. 11th, take a hike in the beautiful Lauterbrunnen Valley. The valley, an idyllic landscape decked with 72 cascading waterfalls, is a haven for nature lovers. Hiking trails here are a blend of easy and challenging, making it an ideal destination for both novice and seasoned hikers. As you traverse through the verdant greenery, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the Swiss Alps. The valley's tranquility is only interrupted by the harmonious sounds of nature. A hiker's paradise that offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. 12th, experience the thrill of skydiving over the Alps. Feel the rush as you leap from the aircraft, free-falling through the crisp alpine air. Your heart pounds as the ground rushes to meet you, then the parachute opens and serenity takes hold. Now you're gliding, soaring with the birds above a breathtaking panorama of snow-capped peaks and verdant valleys. It's an intoxicating blend of fear, exhilaration, and peace. An adrenaline-fueled adventure that offers a bird's-eye view of the Swiss Alps. Next, take a trip back in time with a visit to the Ballenberg Open-Air Museum. Located amidst the captivating Swiss landscape, it's a living testament to centuries-old traditions. With over 100 historical buildings, it showcases the architectural splendor of Switzerland. Each building tells a unique story, providing a tangible connection to the past. From traditional crafts to regional cuisine, it's an immersive experience that allows you to truly connect with Swiss culture. A fascinating journey that offers a glimpse into Switzerland's rich cultural heritage. Finally, ride the funicular to Heimwehflur, a charming vintage cable railway that whisks you up to the summit of Heimwehflur, where breathtaking panoramas of Interlaken and the surrounding Swiss Alps unfold. As you ascend, feel the cool mountain breeze and listen to the soft mechanical hum of the funicular. Upon reaching the top, indulge in the tranquil beauty of Heimwehflur, a place that seems to exist outside of time. A delightful ride that culminates your Interlaken adventure. And there you have it, 13 incredible things to do in Interlaken. From soaring high above the Alps while paragliding, to delving into the mesmerizing depths of the St. Beatus Caves. The scenic train rides, the thrilling skydiving, the peaceful boat tours, and the rich history of the Ballenberg Open-Air Museum, Interlaken truly is a treasure chest of experiences, so pack your bags and get ready to explore the captivating charm of Interlaken, Switzerland.